boom, life's up. And then you die. Yo, shout out to the Bay, yo. YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Wavy. You already know this is my channel, Mr. Orchard Beach. I don't like that one.
About to ride this wave.
YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Wavy. You already know this is my channel, Mr. Orchard Beach. If you're new to the channel, you haven't hit that subscribe button yet. Hit that subscribe button, like, comment, all the above. Wavy Magic.
Turn up the bass.
Got it. Yeah, you already know. But I'm not gonna do Wavy Magic for this one. This will be unboxing number 1 right here. You know what I'm saying?
I do not know what you were saying, and neither would anyone else with an ounce of respect for the English language.
Hit that for me. Ah, there you go. I actually wanted the Uncle Nearest. I was watching Drink Champs and I saw the Kenny Burns and Casanova interview. He was talking about this whiskey that they have. I wouldn't mind that joint. Another whiskey or Scott, I don't know. Another drink I like is William Lawson, but I only had it in the DR. And I did see somebody with a hat with it last time I was in the DR, but I didn't want to get out the car because y'all remember. But anyway. Got 2 more packages to open up. Let me get another sip and then we'll get into it. First package from Atlanta. Let me make sure I ain't got no. Boom. Oh, I had to carry it like this. I already know what it is, but I want to share this with y'all because this is what I'm into.
You're just boring, that's all.
All right. I got 3 packs of the real thing. Woo, Bob's Red Mill Grits. I ain't even know the name of it, but I know these them real things. This ain't that, what is it? That instant shit.
No, sir.
We don't do those, so. Yo, shout out to Cuzzo. Last time she was up here, she bought me like 3 packs, but she accidentally spilled one on the ground. But got my 3 packs right here, so we lit. But y'all ain't worried about what I'm eating for breakfast, you know what I'm saying? They don't make y'all shit. Y'all wanna know what I really got though. Woo! So, I thought this box was gonna come in yesterday. I actually got it from eBay. I've been looking at these sneaks for a minute. Buckeye City Soul, salute to you. I hit you up about that other cat, you know what I'm saying? So I didn't want you to think like I just went ahead and shot with boy, because those joints weren't official. But anyway, been waiting for these joints. I don't know what I was gonna say. Oh yeah, it was a good thing that I didn't leave because I thought these wasn't gonna come in until tomorrow. And boy, I'd have been tight because I already had to go to the post office to pick those up. Now I gotta go back to the post office. Yeah, you damn mind. When the just quick, when the I'll get y'all because I'm not gonna do a review, but anyway, just quick. When the postman came, I told him what I had in the box or whatever, and he telling me about his joints. You ever had a conversation with somebody, y'all talking about kicks, and then you notice like he's talking about like Bama kicks, you think? You know what I'm saying? So after that, it was just kind of like for me, it was like, you know, like, yeah. The greatest player ever.
Stay off the drugs.
Nah, I don't care. He didn't play for my team. I got the LeBron 9 Elites, Wolf Gray, Mint, Candy. He's not a read? Yo, this is actually one of the first sneaks that I got that have one of these. Homie went the cheap way too. I see you, boy. Word. But anyway, let's check these out. Okay. Damn, there they go. Told y'all I've been wanting these joints, man. I'm a Miami Heat hater, but I love the South Beaches. Yeah, okay. These joints look straight. They've been used. They said they wore them once, maybe twice. I'm gonna go, anytime I hear the maybe, I'm gonna go ahead and say you wore them 3 times, you know what I'm saying? Because you did a lace swap, so I'm gonna swap the laces back. I think I'm gonna do, I don't know, whatever ones are stock, that's what I think I'm gonna do, because I ain't really, nah. It's one thing to have a sneaker that's not mine, but I'm not gonna have them tricked out the way you had them. You know what I'm saying? Like, I got choices.
Thank you.
LeBron South Beach. Been one of these joints. I don't know when I'm gonna rock them. I am gonna do it on foot for y'all though. I'm not gonna do a review, ain't really no point. Okay, cool. I've definitely been one of these for a minute. I ain't really like big on LeBrons like that. The South Beach joints, I don't know. I'm caught up in the hype, I guess. I ain't got nothing to rock with them as of right now, I don't think. I gotta go check, but nah, these joints are straight. But yeah, only issue I do see is right here on the gum part. It's got a little mark, but I ain't really tripping on that. I'm gonna clean them up one good time, put some foot powder in them because they was not mine, and yeah, we gonna do what they do. So yeah, boom, give y'all a couple more looks. Let me know what y'all think. Y'all like these joints? Y'all got them in your collections? I've wanted these for years, but I just never been able to get that good price, so finally got them. Yeah. One quick thing about the whole LeBron. Like I said, I'm a Knicks fan. I carry that L. I hold that motherfucking L. Another LeBron that I want those taxi joints because I watched him dismantle my Knicks in those taxis. All that conversation like, oh, who's the best? And I don't care. Paying my bills, you know what I'm saying? Knicks ain't even paying my shit. That's why I ain't watching them right now. But anyway, yo, about to get up out of here. Thank y'all. Okay, I'm about to say. I'm about to get up out of here. I appreciate y'all. Oh, hold up.
Turn up the bass.
Got it. Appreciate everybody that's been rocking with me. About to get to that on foot. I'm just gonna throw some black jeans and I don't know, probably some light jeans. I ain't really gonna go crazy on these joints because they been out, you know what I'm saying? But do remember, when it's time for me to rock these joints, report the bridge for blow up, you already know.
I am the bridge, man. You report to me, man.
Don't forget, follow me on that Snap, follow me on that IG, follow me on that Twitter be. But that Snups. It's your boy BOYZ, you already know this, my channel, Mr. Your Beats. Stay tuned for the On Foot, top 5 best on foot on YouTube.
How can you be so sure?
See you when I see you. Ow.
Despite what you may think, or what you may have heard, I am top 5 dead or alive.
Oh, skin on niggas. Rest in peace to B.I.G., the reason why I rap, nigga. It was all a dream. Shit, just having my own home. Streets had me stuck in the chokehold. Wanna find mom, I just go with a coke soul. Dirty nigga running through the project row homes. Attitude fucking shit I got on bobos. So young snot still come out my nose holes. So I just ride like my time is borrowed. Like the sun won't rise tomorrow. My father's dead, my stomach is empty, my brain is young. I wanna ride, but I'm too broke to get me a gun. But when I do, it's on and popping, I'm loading, locking. Niggas better run like hoes and stockings. The clothes I'm rocking ain't no name brand. Used to wish for them Jordache pants. My future's dim, Grim Reaper all stretching the pen. I'm in that brand new Johnny Bacon juice and gin. I ain't had hoop games, but I was shooting the wind. I used to shoot my own homies, I was cool then. Nigga, the hood nigga, I was born and bred. When niggas get shot right in they forehead, the 45 a bacon nigga face like cornbread. We die so young, we don't let it be old heads. Beirut, shoot first, ask questions last. Put hollows in his ass, she asked. Bang bang all day, this is how we all play. Kick that nigga during, then we kill him in his hallway. Murder, homicide, body struck outline. Ruger Smith and Wesson niggas rhyme like it's Columbine. Old skin don't heat a man, all he do is blam. But the squad deeper than the mash just in Pakistan. I got my getting hand, black with the red light. Leave a nigga stuck like a deer in the head. Like kill, nigga, this is what we do. Your mom testify, we kill her too. We rhyme like a train on a track. There's too much dirt to turn back, so we gotta stay strapped. Gorillas don't fuck with no rats. A nigga shoot me, I just shoot a nigga back like that.
Yo, let me tell you something. He's the best. Like fuck Cali. That nigga let you know.
I am top 5 dead or alive.
Hey, just right quick, let me know how y'all think I should do the laces. You think I should do the pink or you think I should do the green joints? What I did was, because I wasn't, as you can notice from the pictures, I wasn't gonna rock them if I did the 2 colors. I might even do 2 colors. Let me know what y'all think, how y'all think I should play it. But I swapped them joints out. I even put the other laces in from the bag. Like, I'm never like, that's kind of like if you cop like these joints. It's kind of like if you cop like a tricked out ride, like you cop a donk, you know, and it's already tricked out. That ain't your whip, you know what I'm saying? Like, you need to flip that joint. That's just me. But yeah, let me know what you think, man. I flipped the joint. I took the I rocked different laces, and I did them on the. I have the green ones on the right, the pink ones on the left. One crown facing down, the other crown facing up, you know. Nah, I didn't do that on purpose. When I seen it, then I was like, yeah, you know, I'm freaking like that. But nah, let me know though. Let me know.
Realistic, no lie. Met these niggas next and I'm gifted. Bow tie, claiming you the best. What you sniffing, bro? High. Sugar Ray Leonard, it be hitting like no mas. Ha. Shame on the nigga. They trying to run game on the nigga like I ain't learned the game from a nigga.